injury and civil wrongdoing. A tort is a civil wrong, done by one person or entity to another, which results in injury or property damage, and frequently involves monetary compensation to the injured party. There are three categories of torts: negligence, intentional tort, strict liability. Torts, negligence. Negligence is an unintentional tort, to which there are four elements that must be satisfied. Duty. The defendant had a duty to act in a reasonable manner. Breach of duty, meaning that the defendant failed to act reasonably. Causation. The defendant's breach of duty must be the cause of the plaintiff's injury or loss. Damages. Monetary, property, or other loss. Torts, intentional tort. An intentional tort is a deliberate wrongdoing in which the defendant acted with intent to cause harm or injury. Some examples of intentional torts include assault and battery, false imprisonment, fraud, invasion of privacy, intentional infliction of emotional distress. Torts, strict liability. Strict liability is a tort that does not require actual negligence or intent to injure. It is based on an absolute or strict duty to ensure that something is safe. Strict liability frequently comes into play with hazardous activities such as bungee jumping. Example: the company that owns the bungee cords or offers the activity to consumers has an absolute duty to make sure that the bungee cords are intact, hooked up correctly, and are ready to operate safely. In this example, if a consumer is injured because the bungee cord breaks or comes undone, the company is liable for the injury under strict liability. Legal powers and limitations.